Right, so with law number 2, law number 1 was multiply, law number 2 is divide. When you're dividing with exponents, you have to subtract the exponent. So a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Okay, you subtract. So let's look at an example. If I say 9 divided by 3, it's obviously 3. Okay? X to the power 7 divided by x to the power 2. The law says you must subtract. So 7 minus 2, 5. So the answer is 3x to the power 5. That's it. That's the law. Okay? Let's look at this one. Here we got a 5 minus 2 for x. Because remember the same base. Must be the same base. So 5 minus 2 gives you 3. So we got x to the power 3. For the y's, the same base, 4 minus 3 is 1. And then 6 minus 2 is 4. So it's z to the power 4. So you can't, for instance, take this one and subtract that one, the z and the y. They must have the same base. Then you can subtract them. Okay? And then for this one, now you got to be careful. Because look here. We can start by saying 24 divided by negative 6 is negative 4. Okay, we can start like that, negative 4. And we can say a to the power 5 divided by 8. Obviously, if it's a, it's 1. A to the power 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. So we get a to the power 4. Okay? But now, what about this? B to the power 4 divided by b to the power 4. So 4 minus 4 is 0. And remember, there's a rule that says anything to the power 0 is 1. So this is 1. Okay, so you can write times 1 or you can just leave it because when you multiply by 1 it's going to stay the same. And then the last part, look at this one now, c to the power 1 divided by c to the power 5. So 1 minus 5 is negative 4. So you don't want to put a c to the power negative 4 here because we want the exponents to be positive. So what you do is you can say, I'm going to start here, 5 minus 1, because I always start with the bigger exponent. 5 minus 1 is 4, but because I started here, I have to put the c to the power 4 as a denominator. Okay, so when the bigger one exponent is at the top, you write it as at the top. When the bigger exponent is as a denominator, then you write it as a denominator. Okay.